Yeah, so the curriculum that we're building for California Rule 21 is a full feature. And by that I mean that we have a curriculum that's been developed for executives so that they can understand what the value proposition is for being in the market, what the pitfalls are that they should be looking out for, and we're providing them with information about how they can succeed by partnering and so forth. The second part of the curriculum is aimed at the engineering part of the industry. So the reason why we decided to go with this multi-audience curriculum is that there's a huge skills gap in the industry. The industry in the U.S. has about 250,000 people that are now working in solar, and there could be a lot more, and the potential is quite high if we only had the people to actually do the jobs. And the jobs are changing, so no longer is it boots on the roof, lifting and hoisting. Now it's working with your mind and digitizing the industry so we can bring out that extra value. And that requires education. That requires retooling engineers, retooling professionals so that they're thinking in this new digitized way.